let's do some cooking. But what do I have? Let me figure out. Maybe some vegetables. I can actually see a tandoor. What do I make? Tawa vegetable tandoor? No. Tandoor vegetable burger. Let's begin. Tawa vegetable burger. Well, there's something different here in this recipe. I have a whole bouquet of vegetables here. What I'm doing is, instead of making a patty or a cutlet, I'm going to tandoor all the vegetables and then sandwich them in a burger bun. Let's see how. First things first, some fresh winter carrots. Next, some banana peppers. Again, cutting them nice and thick, like so. Our vegetables are cut and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is making the marination. This is classic tandoori marination. Garlic crushed. Now this garlic is actually stone ground, and that's why the color is dark, because the garlic has oxidized. Let's mix this well. With this, our tandoori marination is done and ready. The next step is to skewer the vegetables. And finally now, let's brush the marination. Well, to this, I'm using vegetables that are available to me today. You can go all out and use vegetables of your choice. You want to go all out and use paneer? Choice is completely yours. The next step is to barbecue this. It's important to keep basting the vegetables with a little bit of oil, because that'll keep the moisture intact. Let's move on to the burger buns. A generous dollop of mayonnaise. Well, you can use any mayonnaise of your choice. I'm using a combination of an Italian mayonnaise, which has oregano, thyme, a little bit of salt and pepper. And along with that, I'm using peri peri mayonnaise. Time to add in the tandoori vegetables. Let's remove these from the skewer and chop these like so. Let's mix these up and place these. And finally, let me top this up with some more mayonnaise. Let's cover these up. With this, tandoori vegetable burgers are done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends, but more importantly, steal a burger for yourself. This is me, the Bombay chef Varun Inamdar, signing off. Make some barbecue recipes, some outdoor recipes, and tag us on social media. Stay tuned for more such stunning videos. Bye for now.